What's up guys, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing how to organize media in our project panel, and also we'll talk about the different media types we have in Premiere. So when importing media into your project, it's very important to have everything organized, as it's just going to make your life a lot easier. Now we will discuss in a few seconds the different ways of sorting the media out, but for now let me just show you some quick things which would probably going to help you. Now you will see in the project panel that we have some icons over here in the bottom. So you can use these icons to switch between different views in your project panel, and then there's a slider as well over here if you want to zoom in or zoom out. Now if you have imported something twice in your project panel, or for some reason if you want to get rid of something in your project panel, then this button over here is your friend. You can just select the media you want to delete and then click on this icon, or you can also use the delete key on your keyboard. Now another thing is that if you have multiple media files in your project panel, then a sensible thing to do is to create a bin and put all of the same types of media in that bin. Now a bin is basically a folder in Premiere, and you can create a bin by clicking on this icon in the bottom of your project panel. If you have separate bins for your, let's say, footages, audio, and your graphics, then imagine how easy it's going to be for you rather than finding one item from a list of 50 items. Now, let's say that you have set up individual bins for all of your media types. You still don't really have to go into those bins if you're looking for a specific item, because you can use the search bar over here, and all you have to do is just type in the name of the item that you're looking for, and then it should appear over here in the project panel. Now, another thing that I want to go through with you in this tutorial is the media types. So let me first of all go to my full screen view, and I can do that by pressing the tilde key on my keyboard. Now you will see that I have set up individual bins for my media in the project panel. Now if I expand all of these bins, you will see that all of the clips have different logos, different icons. Now this is one way of spotting which is which. For example, we have the audio files with no video, so you can see the waveform. And then this little icon represents a sequence. Then we have again a white strip which represents still images, and now here we have a waveform combined with a white strip which indicates that this is a movie. Now an efficient way to see all these media types in a separate column over here in your project panel is by right clicking at the top in this area and then selecting metadata display. You can then expand the Premiere Pro metadata window, and now in here all you have to do is to take the media type box and then click OK, and that's it. Now you got a separate individual column for your media types. So now it's easier for you to identify if you've got a movie over here, if you've got an audio, if you've got a still image, because you can see everything in this column. Now guys, one thing that you would probably be thinking in your head is like, what's a movie and what's a video? So don't worry, don't get confused, because Premiere calls a footage with video and audio a movie, and a clip with no audio but just video is called a video in Premiere. Now I know it's a bit confusing, but that's how it is. So once again guys, a clip with both video and audio is called a movie, and then a clip with video but no audio is called a video. So guys, that's how you can organize media types in your project panel. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to drop those in the comment section, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. I'm not going to see you in the next tutorial, so till then, you take care of yourself.